Hi everyone, welcome to today's paper explanation session of your IBPS Prelims Mock Test 13. In this session, we are going to discuss quantitative aptitude section discussion, paper discussion. See here, 36. Compound interest and simple interest for a certain sum at a rate of interest for 2 years is 440 and 400 respectively. Find the principal. So it is given that simple interest for 2 years is 400. So each year it is 200. 2 years 400 means each year 200. And first year, second year, first year the simple interest and compound interest are same for the first year. So second year compound interest is 240. So it is 200 plus 40. 40 is 1/5 of 200. So 1/5 means 20%. So you can say the rate of interest is 20%. The 20% every year is 200. Given every year simple interest is 200. So principal means 100%. So 25 is 100, 205 is 1000. So 1000 is the principal. 1000 is the principal. Next, 37th question. A and B together can complete the work in 36 days, but the efficiency of B is 33 1/3% less than the efficiency of A. So A's efficiency is 1/3. The efficiency of B is 1/3 less than A. If A's efficiency is 3, B's efficiency is 2, and they together complete A plus B. How much? 5 per day. 3 plus 2, 5 per day in 36 days. 180 units is the total work. Now find in how many days B alone. B alone can complete 180 units of work, 2 per day in 90 days. So answer is option D. Next, 38 to 43 based on a DI pie chart. Total number of flights is 2520. Number of flights in 6 different companies. So what is the average number of flights of Jet Airways, Indigo and AirAsia together? Jet Airways, Indigo and AirAsia. So 72 plus 53, 125. 125 plus 52. 125 plus 52, how much? 125 plus 52 is 177. 177 divided by 3. 177 divided by 3, how much? It is 59. So 59 degrees. 59 degrees is the average out of 360. Out of 360, the total value is 2520. So how much you are going to get? Please observe here. So 0 0 cancel. 36 sevens are 252. 59 sevens are 413. So answer is 413. Answer is 413. What is the percentage difference between flight AirAsia and Air India? If you see here question number 39, percentage difference. If you see AirAsia 72 and the other is Air India. Air India is 60. So if you see here, the difference here is 12 degrees. 12 degrees out of 360 is what percentage? If you observe here, it is 12 ones are 12, 30s are 10 by 3. 10 by 3 means 3 1/3%. Option D is correct. Now question number 40. The number of flights of Indigo is what percentage of total flights? So approximately. So Indigo is 53. 53 degrees out of 360 is approximately how much percentage? So 5300 by 360, if you see 0 0 cancel, it is 530 by 36. 530 approximately 15%. Approximately you will get 14 point something. So approximately 15%. Then question number 41. Find the ratio between number of flights of AirAsia and Jet Airways to flights of AirAsia, SpiceJet and Indigo together. So if you see here, AirAsia and Jet Airways. AirAsia and Jet Airways together is 72 plus 52. How much? 124. 124. And Air India, SpiceJet, Indigo 60 plus 65, 125. 125 plus 53, 125 plus 53 is 179. 179. Am I correct? 60 plus 65 is 125. 125 plus 53 is 178. 178. Now 124, 262 ja, 289 ja, 62 is 289 is the answer. Next, find the total number of flights of SpiceJet, Jet Airways, SpiceJet, Jet Airways and Vistara. So 52 plus 58, 110, 110 plus 65, 175. So this 175 degrees out of 360 in terms of number 2520. So 360 sevens are now 175 sevens are how much? 175 sevens are how much? It is 1225. 1225. So answer is 1225. 1225 option E. Then question number 43. Total number of flights of AirAsia and Air India together is 132 degrees. What percentage of total number of flights Vistara 132 degrees? The total number of flights of AirAsia and Air India together exceeds the number of flights of, so the difference you need, right? 132 degrees. And Vistara and SpiceJet. Vistara and SpiceJet. Vistara and SpiceJet together is how much? 58, 65, 123. 123. The difference is how much? 9 degrees. So 9 degrees means 9 degrees by 360 into 2520. So if you see here, 367s are 9 sevens are how much? 63. The difference between the sum, their sums is how much? 9 degrees. Now 9 degrees means how how much number? If 360 degrees is 2520, then 9 degrees should be 63. 63. So option B is the correct answer. Next, question number 44. A shopkeeper wants to sell one article at a profit of 20% and another article at a profit of 14.2/7%, such that the selling price of both the articles are same. Find the ratio of the cost prices. The first article at 20% profit, 1/5 profit. Second article at the profit of 14.2/7, 1/7 profit. If here 5 is the profit, 5 is the cost price, 1 is the profit, 6 is selling price. Okay, and here 7 is the cost price, 1 is the profit, 8 is selling price. But it is given that both selling prices are equal. Both selling prices are equal. Let's make it 24, the LCM. I am multiplying this entire with 3 and this entire with 4. Thereby, I am going to get the selling prices are equal. Selling prices are equal. Selling prices are equal. This is 24. This is also 24. Now, find the ratio of the cost prices. So, cost prices ratio would be 5 4s are 20, 7 3s are 21. So, 20 is 21. 20 is to 21 is the answer. Now, 45 to 49 are based on number series. So, 256 is what actually 256, 384. 256 plus 128. So, it is simply into 1.5. Simply you are multiplying into 1.5. 1296 into 1.5. Into 1.5 means 3/2. So, how much you are going to get? Here it is how much? 2 6 are 648. Yes. So, already we have now. What is the wrong number? What is the? We have to find out which is the wrong number. Wrong number we need to find out. So 1296 correct. 1944 adding half is 977. Am I correct? In 1944 half is what? 977. 9 77. Am I correct? 950, 950 plus 22. 950 plus 22 is 972. 972. So you are going to get 2916. 2916. 2924 is wrong term. 2924 is the wrong term. Finding the wrong term. So 175, 900. 175 becomes 900, becomes how much? 243 difference here. Here difference is 243. Here difference is 81. Here difference is 27. Here difference is 9. Here difference is 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s 27. 27 3s 81. 81 3s 243. 243 3s 729. Here difference has to be 729, which is not satisfied. So wrong term is 175. Wrong term is 175. There you need to have 171. Now 20, 32, it is an increasing series. If you observe here, what is the observation? 60 into 2.5, 150 into 3. This is 3.5. This is 4. So thereby, here you need to have 2. 30 into 2 is 60. 32 is the wrong number. So wrong number is 32. Next. 824, 568. The difference is 256. Difference is 256 here. And 568, 440. Difference is 128. It is very clear now. Half. It has to be 64. It has to be 32. It has to be 16. It has to be 4. 330, 344 minus 32. 344, 340, 376 minus 32, 344, correct? 344 minus 16 is actually 328. 328, 328 minus 8 is 320, correct? So differences are becoming half. That is the logic. So wrong term is 330. The right term in that place has to be 328. Now next question. 90, 177. So it is a increasing series. So if you observe here, what is the difference here? 653, 242. 653, 842. Difference is 189. 499, 653. The difference is 154. And 373, 499. The difference is 126. 268, 373. The difference is 105. 177, 268. The difference is 91. Here difference is how much? 87 given. And if you observe here difference of differences, here is 35. Here 28. Here how much? 21. So these are 7 multiples. Now 91 and 105. The difference is 14. So here difference has to be 7 because the difference of difference are multiples of 7. So if it is 91, here it has to be 84. 84. So the wrong number is actually 90. The wrong number is 90. In that place, you need to have how much? 93. Here 93 has to be there. 93 has to be there. Now, Aman's age is twice Rahul's age. Twice Rahul's age, who is 5 years older than Arun. So if Rahul and Aman. So Aman and Rahul ratio is 2:1. And it is given that it is Aman. Arun's and what is given now? Arun's age. Aman's age is twice the Rahul's age, who is 5 years older than Arun. So Arun would be Aman say 5 years younger. 5 years younger. And the total age of Rahul, Aman and Arun is, if it is 2x, this is x. This would be 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Am I correct? Rahul, who is 5 years younger than Arun. Rahul is younger than Arun, man. Rahul is younger than Arun. Rahul is 5 years older than Arun. So it is Rahul. So you can say here it is x minus 5. X minus 5. And sum of all this 2x plus x minus 5. This total is given as 79. From this you got 2x plus x, 3x plus x, 4x. 4x is equal to 84. X you got as 21. Am I correct? 4x is how much? 84. X. Find the difference between Aman's age and Arun's age. Aman is 2x, 42. And Arun is x minus 5. X minus 5 means 21 minus 5, 16. So what is the difference? What is the difference of these two? What is the difference of these two? That is 26. That is how much? 26 years. Next. In a business, the total investment of PQR is 74,000. P invest 8,000 more than Q. Q invest 6,000 more than R. So now all three invested for same period. The total profit is 44,000. Then the profit share of Q. According to the investment, there will be share. So if R, what about Q? R plus 6,000 and P would be Q plus 8,000. So R plus 14,000. R plus 14,000. And the sum of these three is the total investment, which is given as how much? Which is how much? 74,000. 74,000 given. So if you 14 plus 6, 20. So 3R is equal to 70. 3R is equal to 74 minus 20, 54. I will get R as 18,000. R's investment is 18,000. If R is 18,000, then Q would be R plus 6,000, 24,000. And P would be 32,000. Okay, the ratio of investments is 16:12:9. Okay, and the total profit 16 plus 12, 28 plus 9, 37 parts is given as for what? 44,400. Thereby profit share of Q is 12 parts, which is 12 by 37 into 44,400. So how much I am going to get here? 37 12s are 444. So 12 100s are 14,400. So answer is 14,400. Option B is correct. Next. Now questions based on inequality. X square minus 8x. So here x is equal to 3 or 5 and y is equal to, so here see 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 5 is 10. So minus 2 minus 5. I am going to get y as 2 by 2, 1 and other as 5 by 2. 5 by 2. So here we can say x is greater than y. So option A is correct. The next. Second, 53rd one. So 2, 28 is 56. 56 means 8, 7. So you are going to get x as minus 4 comma 7 by 2 and y is equal to how much? 56 to the 112. 112, how you are going to get 112? It is 16 7s are 16 7s are 16 7 23. So you are going to get y as 7 by 2 comma 16 by 2 8. So minus 7 by 2 equal, it is less. 4 minus 4 is less than 7 by 2. So you can say y is greater than x, greater than or equal to x. Option D is correct. Now next. 2 into 6, 120. 120 means 15 8. 15 8 means you will get x as minus 8 by 2, 4, minus 4 and 15 by 2. And what about y? 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 you have to get. Okay. So 12 you have to get means how you will get? It is 12 into 1. 12 into 1, 12, 12 plus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 by 3 comma minus 4. So now here minus 4 is less than minus 1 by 3, but it is greater than this. So you cannot say any relation. No relation. Option E. So 84, 21, 4. So you can say x is equal to minus 4 comma 21 and 13, 9. So you can say y is equal to 9 comma minus 13. So thereby here what can be the understanding? 55th one. Here minus 4 is less than 9, but 21 is greater than 9. No relation. So answer is option E here. Now 56 onwards. In a party, each person shakes their hands with others. Total number of handshakes is 78. So NC2, number of handshakes is 78. N into n minus 1 by 2 is 78. So n into n minus 1 is 156. 156 is a product of 13 into 12. Okay, so thereby n is 13. N is 13. Option C is correct. Next, 3 women or 5 men can earn 480 rupees. So 1 woman can earn, 1 man can earn how much? 3 women 480, 1 woman 160. Okay, 3 men 480, 5 men 480, 1 man 96. Find how much 7 men and 9 women can earn in 2 days. So here 7 into 160, 7 into 96 plus 9 into 160 into 2. If you observe here 2, here 2 into 2, the answer must end with 4. So what is the digital sum you are going to get here? Here it is 0. Here it is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. So where you are going to get digital sum 3? Digital sum 3. Digital sum how much? 7 6 is 42. 42 means 6. 6 into 2, 12 means 3. You are going to get 3 digital sum. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 4224. 4224 is the answer. Next. Question number 58. A container contains 750 liters of milk. From this container, 15 liter means 1/5. Okay, is taken out and replaced. This process is repeated one more time. So 75 into 1 minus 15 out of 75. This is done for 2 times. So how much you are going to have? 1 minus 1 by 5, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole square means 16 by 25. So it is 48. So 48 is left at the end of second operation. Next, Anurag buys an old laptop for 17,500 and spends 2,500 on repair. Repair work is also the cost price. So total 20,000 rupees is the cost price. He is not satisfied from his laptop and sells laptop for 22,500. Thereby the profit is 2,500 on 20,000, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 12.5%. Next, questions based on simplifications. So please see here, here 291654. 54 how many times? 16 times. 16 times. So how much you are going to get? Here 22 into 2, 28 into 2, 56. 56 into 16. Am I correct? 28 into 2, 54. Now it is 8. How much you are going to get? This is 56. 56 canceller. So 864. 864 is going to remaining, right? 28 into 2 is 56 man into 864 divided by 2916. 2916 how much? 2916 under root. Under root is how much? 54. Am I correct? 54. Now is equal to x plus 540. X plus 540. Right? So now 54, 56 it is. Is it 54 or 56? 5 6 are 30. Okay, you have 29, 54 only. Now 54 1s are 54. Now 54 6 are 56 into 16. How much? 896. 896 minus 540 is the value of x. So x is 356. X is 356. Next, 125 percentage means 5 by 4 of 7 by 6 of x is equal to 84 percentage of 1250. So what is the value you are going to get now? So 5 7 to 35, right? 7 12s are 84. 5 25s are 125, 0. Now x is equal to 4 25s are 25 10s are, so 12 into 6 72 into 10 720. So answer is 720. Answer is 720. Now 38416. 38416. What is the under root? So you can say 38416 1 by, I can take it as 38416 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 into 5 by 2. It is nothing but 5 5 cancel, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means it is nothing but actually 14 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. The answer is 14. The answer is 14. Next, 1444 is 38. 5184. 5184 is 72. 38 plus 72 is 110. 110 is 22 into 5. So answer is 5 here. The next, 64th one. 841 by 29 is 29. 34 into 5 is 170. 23 into 5 is 115. 170 minus 115. 55 plus 29, 84. So answer is 84. Answer is 84. Next, 40% of 420. 10% is 42. So 40% is how much? 4 into 42, 168. Now 44% of 200 is same as 200% of 44, which is 88. 168 plus 88 is 256. 256 is x square. So x is 16. X is 16. Next question. 343. So 20% of how much? So if you see here, 243 is still some 9. This is the how much? So let me do the regular procedure. 343 plus 243 is 686. 686 plus 512. 586 plus 586 plus 512. Am I correct? 586 plus 512 is nothing but 1098. 1098 is 1/5 of x. So x is equal to how much? It is 5490. 5490 is the answer. Now 0.3 whole cube, 0.09. Okay, so it is 0.3 whole power 4. 0.3 whole power 4 like this you have. Okay, so it is like 0.3 whole cube. It is 0.3 whole square. It is again 0.3 whole cube divided by, so it is equal to 0.3 whole power 4 power 0.3 whole power 4 power how much? X plus 2. This is what is given. Now if you simplify this, how much you are going to get? 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8. So 0.3 power 8 is equal to 0.3 power 4x plus 4 into 2, 8. So x has to be 0 here. X has to be 0 here. Question mark has to be 0. So this is 67. Now next, the average price of 3 different articles XYZ is 15,000. So the sum is how much? The total of XYZ is 45,000. if the price of each article is increased by 1500, then the ratio of these articles becomes 4:5:6. So 45,000 plus each increased by 1500. 45,000 plus 4500 would be 49,500, and here the ratio would be 4:5:6, the 3. Find the price of article Z after increment. So 4 plus 5, 9 plus 6, 15. 6 out of 15 in 49,500. So 15 how many times? 33 times. 3300 into 16 how much? 19,800. So answer is 19,800. Next question. Sham goes to his office, which is 96 kilometers away from his house. He walks 12.5% of total journey and remaining distance covered by running. He walked at a speed of 8 km per hour and run at a speed of 12 km per hour. So find the time to cover the entire journey. Time is equal to here distance 96 by speed relative. See 12.5 means remaining is 12.5 means 1 by 8. So the ratio would be 1:7. 1:7. So if the total distance is covered with the speeds x and y, and the two distances covered are in the ratio m:n, then the average speed would be m plus n into xy divided by my plus nx. My plus, here m is to n is 1:7 and x is given as 8. So please see here 1 plus 7 is 8, x is 8 and y is 12. My, so 1 into 12 plus n is 7. 7 into 1 is 70. So now how much I am going to get? So I am going to get how much? He walks at a speed of 8 km per hour and run at a speed of, find the time taken to cover the whole journey. So time is equal to distance by speed. Here what is the average speed? M plus n, 1 plus 7, 8, xy, 8 into 8, y is 12, m plus n into xy divided by my. My means 1 into 12, 12 plus nx. Nx means how much? N is 7, x is 8. X is 8. 7 into 8, 56. So now how much you are going to get? 96 divided by 64 into 12. 12 plus 56 is 68. Right. So now how much you are going to get here? How much you are going to get here? If you simplify, please simplify and tell me what is the answer. The answer would be 12 8 is 96. Okay. Now it is how much? It is 234. Is how much? 4 16s are 4 17s are. So 8 17s are 136. Am I correct? 136 by 16. So 16 8s are 128. So it is 8.5. 8.5 hours it will take. So answer is 8.5. Next, the selling price of 8 articles is equal to cost price of 12 articles. 12 cost price is equal to 8 selling price. Find the profit percentage on selling price. So what you can say here, see the selling price is selling price to cost price. Profit is how much? Selling price to cost price would be 12 by 8. 12 by 8. So what is the profit here? Profit would be 4 on selling price. Cost price is 8. Selling price is 12. So profit is 4 on selling price. 4 on 12. Yes or no? 4 actual here the find the profit percentage on selling one article. It's a very easy question. So simply 4 on 8 is how much? Half. Half means 50%. Profit on selling one article. Directly you can say MCP is equal to NSP. So profit percentage is equal to M minus N by N into 100 percentage. 12 minus 8, 4 by 8 into 100 percentage, which is 50 percentage. Okay, right. This is a quant paper discussion for today. Okay, so tomorrow again we will meet with one more paper analysis. Thank you so much.